Are you seeing the netui2 Library DLL missing from your system directory? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. I'll guide you through the technical resolution to protect your PC's internal communication. Before we get into the manual guide for netui2 Library, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the netui2 Library, the Network User Interface Layer 2 module. It houses unmanaged UI templates for advanced network settings, such as VPN configuration and domain join dialogs. It facilitates the visual orchestration of network identity manifests. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Since netui2 Library DLL is a protected OS component, the most reliable fix is to verify your system integrity. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scannow to have Windows detect and restore any damaged system binaries. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the netui2 library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C Redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. A quick safety warning: never download files like netui2 Library DLL from unofficial websites. These files are often outdated or bundled with malware that can compromise your personal data and system security. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. Review guidance on library management and system stability by accessing the repair-related resource linked below for netui2 Library. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing netui2 Library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.